pleased to show you 2012 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.